Hi everyone, it's Tom here from Tom's Carnivores, and today I'm going to be doing a quick demo of the Nepenthes species identifier, which is a tool I built with a friend of mine, Eric Huang. In short, it lets you upload a photo of your plant, and it will then use AI to try and identify which species it is you're looking at based on the picture. It's good fun, it's free, and you can find it by Googling for it or just going to tomscarnivores.com/resources. So, I'm going to do a few examples now. First thing you do is upload a photo of your plant. It works on mobile as well, so you can use it on your phone if you're in your greenhouse or grow tent or whatever. It takes about 20 seconds or so to upload the photo and then to run the AI on it. So I'm just going to skip ahead now and show you what it identifies. So as you can see, it will spot many pictures in the image, even if only one's in the foreground. So you can click between them like this to see what it thinks each one is. In this instance, it's got it right. It's a very easily identifiable picture shape. It's Nepenthes veitchii. So as you can see, yeah, it spotted all the pictures in the image. We'll do a few other easy species first. So there's Nepenthes jamban here, easy to identify, and the AI similarly finds that an easy one to spot too. Same goes for Nepenthes mollis. Even ones which are perhaps less frequently seen in collections, so there are less photos to train the AI on, in this case, Nepenthes undulatifolia. Perhaps, again, because of the very distinctive color and shape of this species, it's able to identify it correctly. And you'll notice as well that it gives a confidence score for each picture, which in many cases is quite interesting, as we'll see when we get onto hybrids. Nepenthes edwardiana as well, it's able to identify. And finally, Nepenthes lowii. Again, very distinctive upper picture shape, easy to spot. So I thought we'd try and do some harder ones now, kind of trip it up, ones that perhaps even experienced growers might not immediately be able to identify correctly. So this one, I've got two in fact. It's Nepenthes robcantlii and Nepenthes nebularum. I'm not even going to comment on the controversy between those, but as you can see, it identifies the robcantlii correctly. 99.8% confident. Even AI isn't 100% confident on this one. Whereas the nebularum, it also identifies as robcantlii. In this instance, it's probably because there is insufficient data to train the AI on when it comes to nebularum. But yeah, it knows, it's very confident what robcantlii looks like, and you'll find if you try and test it on a lot of truncata, robcantlii, nebularum species, it will identify them all as either robcantlii or truncata. Next, this is the Borneo Exotics release of Nepenthes maxima, which was originally labeled as IME, and it actually makes the same mistake. So it's 100% confident that this is Nepenthes IME. So yeah, Rob Cantley needn't feel too bad about that one. Next up, this is another Nepenthes maxima. It's a wavy leaf plant that I grew from seed. And what's interesting about this one is it doesn't even guess anything in the Nepenthes maxima complex. It thinks this one is Nepenthes truncata. My guess would be perhaps the elongated picture shape, the yellow color and the striped peristome. A lot of pictures in its training data for Nepenthes truncata resemble this. So it gets this one wrong. So we'll do a few hybrids now. I should start by saying that it's not been trained on hybrids. This AI has absolutely no concept of what a Nepenthes hybrid is. It will always guess species. So bear that in mind. In some cases, it's surprisingly good. So in this case, this is my lowii cross edwardiana, and its first two guesses are the parent species, which is interesting in itself. It shows how the Nepenthes hybridization, you often get a very pleasing sort of intermediary when you breed two species with each other, and those sort of phenotypes really shine through, and it's able to identify the parents in this cross, which is quite cool for both a new picture and an aged picture here, as you can see. Next up, this is a slightly more complex hybrid. This is Raja cross with Babigia edwardiana or Babigia villosa. And as you can see, it gets the female parent right, Nepenthes Raja, and it's fairly confident this is a pure Nepenthes Raja, probably on account of the picture shape, which really comes through in this particular cross. And then one final one I wanted to end on. This is actually a plant grown by my good friend Andy Kitson here in the UK. It's a very complex hybrid. I don't think I'd be able to rattle off the full name, unlike Dom from Redleaf, but I know it has got Rocco Boschiana, Loiavicio Boschiana, and something else in it. And as you can see, this AI has absolutely no idea. It's just gone Rob Cantley close enough. Don't think it has any mollis or platycala in it. So yeah, if you try it with complex hybrids, it will often just make random sort of stab in the dark type guesses. But for species, I've found it's surprisingly good. And it's really good fun to play with this tool as well. So I'd recommend to give it a try. And yeah, please send me any comments, feedback, or ideas for like what you'd like to see in the next version. You can reach me by email, tom@tomscarnivores.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.